Got some springs for the McLaren. Ooh. Moses, you want to sit on this and see how strong it is?
Sure. Do your natural habitat. Sit on it. It'll work. Just sit on it. Like this. Is it in the middle? Like where you're...
No, wait.
I know, but is it in the middle?
I'm not balancing.
Okay, I'll balance yourself?
No, wait. Don't do anything. Hold on.
I'm not doing anything. I'm holding you so you don't fall.
No, it's good. It's not.
You're good?
Yeah.
Can you balance yourself on it?
You're balanced? It's good?
Let me try. Hey.
Does it feel good?
No.
Sorry. Not bad.
Alright guys, we got this McLaren 570 right here. We did springs and we did the 1016 Industries carbon fiber wing in the back. The springs right now are on there. They're freshly installed, so they have a little bit more to go. When you drive it, they adjust a little bit. They're gonna tension down a little bit. But yeah, it's not the biggest drop in the world, but really perfect drop for its stance, and it drives great. So yeah, we got the springs on there, and then we got that 1016 Industries carbon fiber wing, which was really simple to install, looks really nice, it's adjustable, made really solidly, so you're not gonna have problems with it, and honestly makes the 570 look 10 times better. So if you have a 570, you need a wing and lowering first. This thing also has an exhaust system, so it sounds good. But yeah, he's got a lot more mods on the way, thinking about doing a 1016 full kit. We are right now working on that, so hopefully he's gonna do that whole kit and make this thing even crazier, maybe some wheels, stuff like that. But 570s are not to be played with. They're really nice. When you tune them, do an exhaust, do wing, they really start looking and performing really well. So yeah, you got a 570, hit us up. We could do all this stuff to it. I hate wrapping cars because we do it the right way, and when we have to take it off, we also have to do it the right way and take everything apart.
Car has 0 gas. I have to go to a gas station, but they need to move the van. There's always cars in the way. Super uncomfortable fucking car. And this has to go to the gas station ASAP. That's why I turned it off. 0 gas. Damn, this thing shifts bad. Yeah, it does. Gotta raise up the car, it's way too low. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Nobody brings their car with gas. So our second job is to put gas in people's cars.
Holy shit.
That was good.
Thanks.
The guy in the van loved it.
Oh yeah, I'm sure. I'm the girl in the van.
Oh, sick.
This is that's our basically company.
Cool.
Yeah. Cool.
Part of the tribe?
No.
No? This got the pin?
This?
Yeah.
It's my buddy's brand. This is what he does. Puts it on everything.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you guys. Go.
It's just losing traction.
It's so much more comfortable than the
Aventador?
Yeah.
The Aventador's so bad.
It's like
The transmission. This is smooth as butter. If you were comparing an Aventador S, which is newer, like this,
Yeah.
it is a little better. That Aventador is a little bit older, so the transmission, they made it a little smoother, but still not that great. And the suspension, they changed it, made it also smoother. But, I mean, I would take this. But an Aventador looks, sound, you can't beat it. This thing, no
Yeah.
matter what you do, you're not gonna make it sound
like that.
out of this world like an Aventador. You're gonna put burbles and fire and pops, but it's just gonna annoy you, and you're gonna take it off. So that's the difference. And this is faster than the Aventador, which is nuts. But yeah, what would you guys choose? A 720 or an Aventador?
See right there, the second one, has like a lit, yeah. So if you pull that, on the dash, a light blinks, and then that means the car's up. But when it's solid, that means the light is up. Okay. It shows a picture of the exact thing you see right there, but in yellow on the dash. That means the car's up and you're ready to go. But still, whenever you're going on curbs, make sure you turn it so you don't break the front bumper, because I don't feel like fixing it.
Oh, are you fitting?
Yeah, he's cool.
Okay, fine.
All right. So if you start it right now, I'll show you how it works. So it'll be easy.
It'll go down on its own though when you start driving.
Exactly.
Is it like the Rory where it goes over 50 and it goes back down?
Exactly. Something
Yes,
like that. But
yes,
it will
yes.
go back down. And then after, when you go on a curb, just press it back again. You feel it going up, and
It's
then
not gonna go any curbs. It's gonna go to
like
the
this,
house.
this.
Just this curb. And
Yeah,
then
but I'm gonna go through Laurel Canyon then.
Oh, nice.
Try to have that up, bro.
You'll be fine.
You'll be
The other
fine,
thing
bro.
you need to know, when you're at a stop with this car, sometimes it goes into neutral automatically.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when it does, you see the end right there?
Yeah.
You just have to tap that again,
And it goes to
and
one.
it'll go back into drive, basically.
So it drives like the Rory, right?
Yeah. So that's it, man.
Good
Have
luck.
fun. Oh, does he know where the window switch is?
Yeah, he knows all that stuff. I already showed him.
Window switch?
Yes. On the side top.
Hey, give me this. I need it for my car.
That's your girlfriend.
Yeah, she's my girlfriend. I
Oh,
love
you
her.
guys are cute together.
Yes.
Ooh,
were
can you
perfect.
give him a hug for me? Hug
Yes.
him. Go hug her.
Yes.
Here. You don't have to take your pants off. Don't take your pants off. Put your pants back on. Here. Put your pants back on. What's wrong with you?
All right, guys, so I'm excited to bring this new little chapter to you guys. Basically, we're gonna start a membership program here at RDB. It's a monthly subscription membership, okay? So you're gonna go on the RDB website, you're gonna see membership, you're gonna sign up. This is gonna give you a lot of stuff. This is no bullshit stuff, real stuff. You guys know this is a real business. We've been doing this for over 15 years, combined 35 years with family business. So it's been a very long business endeavor for us. It's been successful, as you guys could see. We still have our daily struggles, all that stuff. We're going to be explaining all this stuff to you in this membership program. We're going to give you guys advice, business tips, exclusive RDB content, behind the scenes looks, behind the scenes of car work, showing you pointers on how to work on cars. A lot of stuff. I get so many DMs a day about startups, what to do, motivation, how to start up, just a lot of stuff. So I thought this would really bring in all those questions and have it all ready for you guys through this membership program. There's a lot of mentorship programs out there, as you guys could see. A lot of these are from people that might look rich, but they're not. They look successful, but they're not. You know, social media, you could show anything you want. However, we can't fake it here. Everything is out in the open, and with this mentorship program, you're really going to get value out of it. We're going to give you guys monthly content, weekly content, all kinds of stuff. We're going to get better and better at it. It's going to get more expensive gradually, so signing up now is going to be the best way to do it because it's going to be the cheapest point of it. But later on, we're going to get better at it, show you guys more stuff, just real content that you guys are going to benefit from. If you are thinking about opening an auto shop, any auto business related thing, we are going to help you with that. We're going to give you our advice, our expertise, our experience, how to battle things that are going to come your way when you start up this auto business. It's not easy. It's a lot of hard work, but if you love cars and you want to make money, there's many ways to do it. So I'm going to help you out. You guys are going to go on a link and sign up, and I'm going to give you guys a lot of information. I'm going to even do question and answering, help you guys out. So again, you want to do any auto business, this membership is for you. So get ready.